In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Analytics support. Now, we all know how crucial it is to have Google Analytics running smoothly, but there are times when we encounter issues that are beyond our expertise. That's when reaching out to support becomes essential. I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to get in touch with Google Analytics support efficiently. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's get started. Our first step is to navigate to the Google Analytics website. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions page at marketingplatform.google.com. This is the official hub for all things Google Analytics, providing valuable insights and resources for your business. If you're not familiar with how to get there, just type Google Analytics Tools in your search engine and click on the top link. Once you're on the web page, it's time to log into your Google Analytics account. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you will be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account associated with your analytics profile. This step is vital because accessing support is closely tied to your Google account and helps them assist you better with specific inquiries linked to your account. After signing in, you will find yourself on the Google Analytics homepage. This is where you can see an overview of your data and tools available with Google Analytics. From here, you will need to locate the help icon. This might sometimes look like a small question mark symbol or a floating icon at the bottom right of your screen. Click on it to access the help menu. The help icon is your gateway to a range of support options. After clicking on it, you'll typically see a search bar at the top where you can enter keywords about your issue to see if you can find instant answers in the support documentation. However, if your query requires human intervention, look for the option to contact support directly, often found within this menu. It's important to have all the details of your issue at hand when reaching out to support. Specific information such as error messages, steps to replicate the problem, and any troubleshooting steps you've already tried can be immensely useful to the support team. It helps them understand the issue better and offer you the most effective solution promptly. Remember, being detailed and precise when explaining your problem can significantly speed up the resolution process. And that's it. You now know how to contact Google Analytics support with ease. I hope you find this guide helpful the next time you encounter any issues with your account. Don't hesitate to reach out for professional support when things get complicated. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials to enhance your analytics experience.